welcome to another vlog on Indokhurana Vlogs, and today I am at Royal Air Museum, as you can see behind me. So today we will explore this beautiful museum and look at the aircrafts and the other facilities. Honestly, this is a surprise visit for me as well because I was not knowing about it. So let's go and check it out. यहाँ पे है अभी पायलट सिमुलेशन. अभी देखो एक्चुअल फ्लाइट तो चला नहीं सकते हैं, तो कम से कम इसी के ही मजे ले ले. सो आप यहाँ पे जाइए एंड हैव अ गो. बट अभी ये बंद है कोविड की वजह से. मे बी इन फ्यूचर वी विल ट्राई दैट. सो लेट्स गो एंड चेक आउट व्हाट एल्स इज देयर. ओके, you guys tell me if you know what this is, because I didn't get it for the first time when I checked it out. It's actually a power jet engine. And look at this. It's so big. Oh my god, okay. And here we have, oh my god, okay, what's this? This is again an engine. Oh my god. Look at this engineering. I'm not an engineer, but I'm so fascinated. Okay. Oh, this looks like a kid chopper. Bring your kid in here. So this was just first hangar. There are total 6 hangars, so rushing. Let's go. So I'm ditching the hangar 2 for now, but let's go and check out the hangar 3, 4 and 5 quickly. Come. And there is a 6. Now coming to the big deal. If you think you have seen enough, you haven't. You haven't. Oh my god, look at these. Now this is called the actual aircraft hangar, where you can see all these aircrafts up here. This is Hawker Guard. This is called as an accumulator. Let's check out this one. North American Harvard Advanced Trainer. Oh, now that's a cool one. Hopper Typhoon 1B. Oh my god, just look at this place.
अरे ये देखो एक और प्लेन. जंग लगी हुई है इनमें. पता नहीं क्या नाम लिखा हुआ है. उड़ती उड़ती हो. 1 मिनट, इंजन ही बाहर है तुम्हारा तो. अरे लगा लो, पंखा घूमेगा नहीं, उड़ोगे नहीं.
ये वाला बढ़िया है, कुछ भी बोलो, है ना. चलो चलते हैं हैंगर 4 की तरफ, क्योंकि वहाँ पे तो एक्चुअल सरप्राइजेस बाकी हैं. लेट्स गो. I made the right call to come up here. Definitely worth spending a day. Oh my god. Just look at this. It's so bulky. It's so bulky. Generally, people have an assumption that museums are boring, but dude, you gotta come to this place and then decide whether it's boring.
In reality, but this is my first time I'm seeing it pop out here, and I'm so happy. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, but this is definitely worth a visit.
Follow me on Instagram for more updates.
एक और बड़ी सी प्लेन, बहुत सारे पंख लगे इसमें. बहुत बच्चे खेलते हैं तो सब जाके बोलेंगे हमें भी पायलट बनना है। प्लेन ला के दो, हमें कहाँ से लाओगे नहीं पता। अरे ये देख टायर, एक मिनट, तेरे हाइट से बड़ा है ये।
So you see all this in the hangar 6. Don't miss it. Even if you have a less time, just spare 10 minutes at the end. But definitely go to the hangar 6 and you will see the real deal up here. I visited in Berlin last year. You can check out that in my Berlin video. Guys, so this is the end of this vlog. I hope you really liked it. Let me know in the comment section if you want more videos on London tours, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.